Hello everybody and happy Friday. It's time for our weekly wrap up. Show you guys what we are finishing up for the week here in the shop. And we have a lot going on. We have a pickup truck here, a pickup truck in the back that I'm very excited to show you guys, and a gigantic box truck that we're working on. So check this stuff out. This is obviously a law office truck that we're wrapping. It started out red. I think we showed it to you guys at the beginning of the week on Tuesday. It started out all red and now it's completely wrapped. And it looks spectacular. Back here we have a gigantic box truck, probably the tallest thing that fits in our shop. And it was white, like most box trucks are, and we got this great looking, huge advertisement on the side with nice, bright, vivid artwork. And installs basically like a day and a half on something like this. So easy and quick out the door. And then these trucks I've been really excited to show you guys are the ones we do in the satin wrap with the printed graphics. And then on the doors, we have chrome overlaid logos, and they are insane cool looking. You can see the doors there. Go around to the other side. See that? But the chrome really stands out, looks awesome. We'll go look at Wilford's just to tick him off while he's working. Check that out right there. It looks so awesome. Our installers just kill it with this stuff. So, very cool stuff this week. And this is like the 5th truck we've done for these guys, so really cool. You see the back of this box truck, full graphics on there. So, if you have a box truck or a pickup truck, or you want to do some amazing chrome overlays on your 87 Mustang, or you want a carbon fiber hood on your 95 Civic, whatever it is you want, we can help take care of you. So give us a call. Have a great weekend, everybody, and let us know what we can wrap for you.